The 2014 1-cent United States coin, commonly referred to as the Lincoln penny, continues a legacy that began in 1909 with the introduction of the Lincoln cent to commemorate President Abraham Lincoln's 100th birth anniversary. The 2014 edition of the penny maintains the modern Union Shield reverse design, which was first introduced in 2010 as a representation of Lincoln's preservation of the United States as one union during the Civil War. The obverse side features the classic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner, a design that has endured for over a century with only minor modifications. This 2014 version continues to be minted in copper-plated zinc, weighing 2.5 grams, with a composition of 97.5% zinc and 2.5% copper. The coin's diameter is 19.05 millimeters and it has a plain edge. The reverse side of the coin features the Union Shield, designed by Lyndall Bass and sculpted by Joseph Menner, with 13 vertical stripes, representing the original states, joined under a single horizontal bar, symbolizing unity. At the center top of the shield is the inscription, E pluribus unum, Latin for out of many. 1 inch, and across the shield is a banner reading 1 cent, while United States of America circles the upper rim. This shield design replaced the earlier Lincoln Memorial reverse used from 1959 to 2008 and represents a broader, symbolic tribute to Lincoln's legacy in uniting a divided nation. The Philadelphia and Denver mints produced circulation strikes of the 2014 penny, while proof versions were minted in San Francisco. Proof coins are specially made for collectors and are distinguishable by their sharper details and mirror-like finishes. Each mint mark, P for Philadelphia, is typically absent, D for Denver, and S for San Francisco, can be found just below the date. In 2014, billions of these pennies were minted, indicating their continuing role in the U.S. economy despite rising debates about the cost of producing pennies exceeding their face value. The 2014 penny holds historical value for collectors, especially when found in uncirculated condition, proof sets, or with mint errors such as off-center strikes, double dies, or die cracks, which can significantly increase their numismatic worth. Over the years, Lincoln cents have become one of the most collected coins in American history, serving as a nostalgic piece for generations and a starting point for many new collectors. The coin's historical symbolism, honoring a president who upheld freedom and unity, keeps it relevant not just in currency but in cultural and educational contexts. In essence, the 2014 Lincoln 1 cent coin is more than just currency, it's a living tribute to one of America's greatest presidents and a continuation of over a century of minting tradition. It reflects the country's values of unity, perseverance, and respect for its foundational history. Whether found in everyday change or preserved in a collector's album, the 2014 penny links the